Hey guys, today I'm here with the new 40 volt XGT powered stick vacuum, the CL004G. This vacuum comes featured with a new powered head at the bottom to allow for higher suction and better performance. This comes with multiple different pieces. We have, first of all, the powered head extension pole over here, which leads down to your powered brush at the bottom, which comes off like this. This is the powered brush over here. It has an easily removable head, which you can take off by removing the clip, and then the brush comes out separately as well. The brush is designed to have channels, so if you get any hair caught in the brush, you can get a pair of scissors and cut through the channels to remove any excess hair buildup on the brush. On the extension pole we have here, there is also a detachable nozzle tool as well, which can fit in directly to the tool itself as well to allow it to get into tighter crevices. The powered head also fits into that slot, so if you want to, you can use this in a more smaller compact format such as this. This allows for getting into those tighter spaces as well. In terms of the battery, we recommend a 2.5 amp hour 40 volt battery. As you can see, it slots on quite easily like this. With the 2.5 amp hour battery, you get about 60 minutes continuous runtime on setting 1. It also allows you to keep the vacuum cleaner nice and lightweight for extended usage and comfort. It also features the grip tool at the bottom for leaving up against surfaces such as tables for when you're not using it for easy storage. The CL004G comes featured with a 250ml canister, which is easily removable here. This is where it collects all of your dust and particles. There is also a 400ml canister capacity version as well. Once your canister is full, it's pretty easy to release the mechanism here and then empty out into your rubbish bin. Once you're done, clip back on and you're good to go. In terms of your filter over here down the bottom, as you can see, this is where the high performance filter sits. It's easily removable from the bottom with this quick release latch over here. High performance filter pops out like so that you can clean out this vessel here. As you guys can see, there is a bit of dust over here. What I'm going to do is just quickly use the powered head. For most jobs, mode 2 or 3 are going to be perfect. However, if you do have those jobs that need higher suction, obviously mode 4 is available. You get about 14 minutes runtime on a 2.5 amp hour battery. So not only is this great for carpets, it's great for hard floors such as concrete or wood. If you want to use this in your workshops with sawdust, this is a perfect option for you as well. As you can see, got it on mode 4 over here. And down here we do have a bit of a mess with our sawdust. So I'll just show you guys quickly how it works when you're cleaning stuff like this up.